17th of April 2026. So if you are watching this anytime around this date, then this means this message is for you. It's a new moon today, I would say. New moon in Aries, okay. And this is the monthly energy reading for this new moon. So if you are watching this, it means this message has something for you which you should be knowing right now. So I am doing this on the night of 17th April, but anytime you watch this after 17 April, this is your message. Okay, what energy is entering in your life, what's happening with this new moon, what can you expect? Okay, new moons are basically about manifestations, new beginnings, starting new things. It is said if you start something new between the new moon and the full moon, that's the waxing phase of the moon. It's a very good thing because the energy of the moon will support your thing which you have started. So that's the reason new moon is connected with manifestations and building your dreams, creating your dreams and working towards them. So we are checking today what can you expect in your life following the days of this new moon. Okay, what energy is coming, what change it is bringing, what is happening in your life. Okay, don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. Okay, so first of all, I tell you there is a good news. Okay, because it's telling about pride. So if it is pride, it means that something good will happen to you in your life following this new moon, following the 17th of April. So congratulations. What else it is trying to tell you? Full moon in Leo, sometime around July, something connected with July in your life, okay, which will happen in this following period. And this is a new moon in Aries, that's a fire sign, and this is Leo. So this is something which is connected to love or passion in your life, something which you are very passionate about. But it's telling you don't let pride get in your way because okay, so it is possible you have the Page of Pentacles, you have the Strength, and you have the Justice card. Okay, don't let pride get in your way. So first of all, I see that you have worked really hard for this thing which will happen in your life in the days following this full moon. Okay, you stood your ground and you really worked very like diligently towards this thing, and it was not easy with the Strength card. Okay, you were failing multiple times, and do you see they both are in the form of lion, and but this new moon will give you that thing. Okay, it will give you that thing, and you will be very happy, but it's possible that you might ignore other things or other people in your life due to this thing which will come in your life. And if you do that, there might be some karmic effect on your life. Okay, that's the energy I see. It's like it's the universe is giving you something. Okay, and then the universe will see how do you behave with that something. Okay, and if that behavior or if there is some kind of not so very good energy, it's possible that some karmic thing might happen with you. Okay, so it's good you're watching this. Okay, so first thing is something good will happen to you for sure following these days of new moon. Okay, some very strong manifestation in your life will come true. Okay, but you are suggested don't be arrogant. Okay, don't be very selfish once this thing happens, because there is some balance karma pending in your life, and help others. That's what I would say. Enjoy your success, but at the same time help others. So that's one thing which I see for you, what you can expect in your life, a dream coming true, a goal coming true, but be very careful with how you treat others around you. Okay, what else do we have? Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, this is like money, home, or yeah, it's money or home, or maybe you will like travel somewhere. I would say some dream which is connected to travel that might come true with great speed. Eight of Wands, so expect great movement in your life. So yeah, it's travel. Some of you might travel to your favorite destination. Maybe that was your dream. Okay, but between all these good things, don't forget this karmic thing. Okay, you will have some situation following these new moons while you might be expected to help someone. Okay, and someone might need you, so help that person, help that situation. Okay, whatever it is. What else can you expect in this new moon, the days following this new moon? What's happening for the person who is watching this? I have two. your your dreams need a practical plan and surrender to the divine. Okay, your dreams need a practical plan and surrender to the divine, and I have this with the justice. Okay. Mm. So I mentioned that it will happen. Some very important manifestation will come true. Okay, but but since it was pride, okay, I can see it is telling that you need to let go of something in your life. Okay, to have this. Okay, I don't know what it is talking about, what you need to let go, but there is something which has to go from your energy, from your life, from your surrounding for this thing to happen. And you are not yet ready to for it. Okay, and that's the reason you don't have any plan, because you just want something, but there is something which has to go for this thing to come. If it is love, there is some relationship or some pattern which has to end, which is very karmic, for this thing to happen. If this is your work, this is your finances, then again there is some pattern, I would say, or some connection which has to end for this thing to work. The way which you are working, the way which you are approaching things, there is some problem in it which has to end. That is what I see. And what else? So first I would say manifestation coming true, but it is with conditions. Two conditions which I saw. One was like you might be expected to help people around, help someone, and second condition was something has to end for this manifestation to come true, and that something is what you are not ready about right now. So yeah, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. Okay, so it's very clear energy to me. Okay, this is the energy of abundance, wealth, family, home, and this is the energy of letting go of something which is, like I mentioned, 10 of Wands, letting go of something which has been on your head, on your body since a long time, some burden. So following this new moon, okay, I'll not take up more cards because I have many. I see some dream coming true, but with conditions, as I mentioned. And it's very important that you analyze what is that thing which is burdening you a lot right now. Okay, and let go of that thing. Okay, maybe you can do this ritual. Okay, between the new moon and the full moon, just write down or think about your manifestation. Okay, like take a candle like this. Okay, think about your manifestation and just light this candle for next 14-15 days till the next full moon, and think two things. first is like what you would like to manifest. When you light that candle, think about that thing, what you would like to manifest with this energy of the new moon. And then when you just put that candle off, when you blow it off, think about that one thing which is putting a lot of burden on you right now, and you want that thing to go away from your life. Think about that thing. So till the time this thing goes, new thing will not come. That's what I can see. I know it's not very rosy, it's not very creamy, it's not very sweet that I tell you all good things will happen, but I'm just telling you what kind of energy I'm seeing. Okay, there is something very good waiting for you to happen some around in the month of July, I feel so, because this is Leo. Okay, but there are other things which are keeping you or testing you right now. Okay, so that's the energy which I have. So just I want one more last card, one more last tarot card. um 3 months from this new moon. Okay, I'll just do this prediction. 3 months from this new moon, I'm just looking at the full moon in Leo card. I just feel very good, very attracted towards it. It's very nice. Okay, 3 months from now, what can you expect in your life? Do I need to say anything more? The Sun card. Okay, so 3 months, okay, from now, expect a big dream coming true. April, May, June, July, like I mentioned, right? July. Okay, and good things happening in your life. Whatever you want now, when you're watching this, you'll get that thing in 3 months. But remember whatever I told you. Okay, there might be different traps where universe will test you, people will test you, things might not be easy, but 3 months from now, it's your time. 3 months from this full new moon, I would say. So that's your message to whoever who is watching this, and I hope this gave you some insight or some kind of hope or some kind of happy feeling towards the thing which you desire in your life right now. And this new moon brings a lot of good vibes, good energy, and it makes your dreams come true. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good evening.